it once again.
Hello, it's Jimmy at Riley's and we're coming to look at a Fiat 500. This is the car, and what's happening is when you put your foot on the brake pedal, the dashboard here is just going off. It's blowing a fuse, and they've said when the problems arise is they've had a windscreen changed and it wasn't fitted correctly, so the water was getting in, coming down the screen and going down into the dashboard. But now that problem's been fixed, but the dashboard is continuously blowing. Over here in the fuse box, where we've pulled that fuse, this is the one that's blowing. Right here. I've had a look in the boot wiring loom here. I've had to cut this flexible tubing open, and you can see here lots of the wires are frayed and they're all pressed against each other. So this is what's going to be causing it, and we're going to do a little bit of a repair on this, and this should fix the problem. So this wire that was split, we've just put an extra piece in the middle there because we didn't want to stretch it, and we've put some heat shrink over it and just put that into place. These two remaining wires, I don't think we're going to heat shrink these because they're not split and we don't really want to cut them, so we're just going to insulate those. Now we've got those insulated and heat shrinked up, we're going to put it back inside this tubing and just cable tie it back up. Just put some cable ties on that. Just get a replacement fuse in there. Dashboard lights now working. Foot on the brake. That's the job all sorted. Happy customer. All done within less than a half an hour.